Hey there everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees here. I haven't posted a video recently. I've just been kind of hectic and busy. Thought I would bring you along to do a quick check. Got my queen rearing starter hive here. I did set this all up a long time ago, and this is the third attempt at doing grafts. The first one, they just didn't take. Second one ended up, found out I had a rogue virgin get into the hive, and so that kind of screwed everything up. So this one now I'm confident, this is the third round, that I'm gonna get grafts done here. So we'll go in here, check and see. Fingers crossed, haven't looked, see how many are taking. I didn't do as many as what I did last year. Primarily I was going to try and keep the queens for myself, but things kind of getting rolling here. I know it's getting later in the season, but I will probably still try and sell some of them, extra ones. So this hive has been queenless for off and on for about a month now. Did this graft. Today is Tuesday. I did this graft on Saturday, so we'll see what we can come up with here. Alright, so we have, let's turn it around, bring it into the camera here a little bit. Here. Let's see what we got. Out of 24, that's a good one there. Looks like we got one dud out of 24. So looks pretty good. Put those back in, wait for them to get capped a few more days, and it's got one right on the forehead, right between the eyes. All right, close these girls back up and see how things look here in a few days, and get them moved to the incubator. All right, moving too fast. So I'll take that first one on the forehead as my warning shot. So, all right. So thanks for watching. Keep checking in. We'll see how these queens progress. Catch you all later.